1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Not bad. 33 steps. This lake has come up a lot in the last couple weeks. Had a lot of rain. All right, let's get the plugs installed on this boat. So here's the boat. This is a Sea-Doo with the Rotax engine. 180 Challenger is the model, but it's a 250 horsepower, basically a jet ski motor with an impeller instead of a prop. And it's a pretty old boat. This is a 2009. Here's the plugs we'll be installing. These are the factory replacement DCP-R8E 4339, and it takes 3 of them. I'll put a link to these in the description of the video. Other thing I'm going to be using is some of this Permatex anti-seize lube. This is just so that the steel threads on those spark plugs doesn't seize up inside that aluminum block motor. So you want to put some of this on the threads when you put that back down in. So to remove these, I'm just going to use a standard 5/8 socket wrench. Make sure you got that rubber boot, because these plugs are down in deep and you'll need that boot to hold the plug when you try to lift them out. Something you're going to find with your new plugs is they're going to have this nipple on the top. You're going to need to unthread that and get rid of it, because those plug boots don't need that top on there. There you go. Now before you put these back in, you're going to want to use some of this anti-seize lube. Just brush it on. All right, so now we got all the plugs installed. We'll go ahead and put the spark plug wires back on. And you'll hear that click as it goes down the threaded top of your spark plug. And that boot grabs onto that threaded part. Well, there you go. That's how you change out your spark plugs on your boat. And don't forget, anti-seize compound, real important. Make it a lot easier the next time you have to take these plugs out and change them again. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please like the video. That'll help other people find it. And look in the video description for any of the products I used today. Have a great day.